Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025. Assembly of soybean storage facility in Bolivia.
Caption News on complete rice milling machinery under one roof.
Lagoda Basmati rice research has been successful.
PRRI has developed high-yielding diabetic rice varieties.
Artificial intelligence driverless tractors have come to agriculture.
EWD reduces groundwater wastage and increases rice yield in Bahrain area.
7 additional private sector leaders announce support for antimicrobial use stewardship principles in poultry, which now includes over 40% of global poultry meat production.
Vietnam leads the world in exporting rice prices.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025 exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. VIV Select China 2024 media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.